Mysterious, is it true that the Bayraktar TB2 drone is able to scan targets from a distance of 50 kilometers? One of the advantages of the Bayraktar TB2 combat drone is that it is able to destroy targets from a distance of 7 kilometers. With a distance of 7 kilometers from the target, this Turkish drone can escape from the brunt of conventional close-range airborne systems. However, other than that, the long-range attack capability of the drone is certainly closely related to the type of tracking sensor it carries. Quoted from topco.ru, an impression on the web shows a navigation screen for the Canadian-made electro-optic module, namely the Wescam MX-15D, mounted on the Bayraktar TB2 drone. Well, from the data displayed on the screen, it is clear that the drone is able to detect and clearly distinguish targets from a distance of 52.2 kilometers. Like the MX-20HD Wescam operated by Indonesian Air Force reconnaissance aircraft, the MX-15D Wescam is designed to detect in the optical spectrum that is directly visible or in infrared mode. These sensors can recognize, track and determine the coordinates of stationary and moving objects, surfaces, and direct remote-controlled air missiles or bombs at targets. However, there is something strange. Based on the performance characteristics of the Optoelectronic Reconnaissance System, OER, attached in the brochure, the MX-15D only has a detection range of up to 15 kilometers. Given the discrepancy in information, it is difficult to confirm that it was the MX-15D that carried out target detection from a distance of more than 50 kilometers. Apart from that, in the aftermath of Bayraktar TB2's involvement in the conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh, Turkey was subject to an embargo on vital components for these combat drones. It was stated that the embargo policy on the Bayraktar TB2 machine had been set by Bombardier Recreational Products, a Canadian manufacturer. For information, the Bayraktar TB2 drone uses a Rotax 912 internal combustion engine that has a power of 100 horsepower. Although Rotax is a company based in Austria, Bombardier owns Rotax shares. Previously, Canada had suspended most defense technology exports to Turkey in October 2019 following Turkey's invasion of northwestern Syria. In addition to engine components, Bayraktar TB2 also uses other vital components from Canada, namely the electro-optical camera module, EO, and infrared, IR, camera, apparently adopting the L3 Harris Wescam output, which incidentally is a company based in Ontario, Canada.